Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another. And as can you see, we got here the new screen folder on our home screen, and just to add here one more application, you should hold for a while by the same way the app and drag it here to this folder. If you want, we can rename this folder. Just tap here once on the name and enter here, for example, the apps. Tap here to OK, and now if we'll go back, we can see that our folder has changed the name successfully. Now just if you want, you can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. Also we can go to another screen, move between the screens this folder, or also we can create a new screen with the folder, as can you see. And if you want to, for example, remove some application from the folder, hold for a while and, for example, drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on your screen, or also you can just hold it for a while and click here to remove. But don't worry, this application icon just will remove from the home screen, but it will stay here on the apps menu. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.